Hey everybody, I'm going to walk us through this transition. Hopefully you can find a place where you can explore, since I'm going to be going step by step. It's a very intense sequence, so I will be out of breath at times, but hopefully you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. I truly feel like that I'm a very visual learner, and it helps me when people are able to do poses and do things and actually explain them in the process. So that's the way that I most like to teach. So what you're going to do is place the back edge of the block just in front of the hip. You're going to bend through the right knee, and you're going to place this leg back behind on the tricep, or if possible, all the way up onto the shoulder. In order to do that, the spine has to be nice and rounded. If you're sitting up straight, this really makes it much more difficult. So get that connection. Once you feel like this leg is as high as you can get it, then think of pointing the toe and drawing that leg gently toward the front of the mat, and this arm toward the back of the mat to get stability, a deep connection. Take the hands and just grip the center of the blocks. Make sure that they're no wider than your hips. Now straighten through the opposite leg and begin to lean forward and lift through the heart, but keep the round of the low back. As you keep leaning forward, if your left hamstring is too tight, you can bend the knee. Keep leaning until you feel quite a bit of the weight come away from your bottom. Now, once you're there, inhale, push into the arms and lift. So my left leg is still down. Inhale here, see if you can lean back a little and float the leg. If that works, use a little momentum, swing up. So that's a really good practice right there. That's a really good place to stay. Get that connection. Bring the hands down. Lean forward. Push into the arms. Lift. Lift. Now swing the hips back. So you've got to straighten through the arms and use momentum. Swing back. Bend through the left knee. Pull the heel in. Straighten the right leg. Inhale. Left elbow to left hip. Stay here. Inhale. Exhale. Left side of the head comes down. Inhale here. Left shoulder to the block. Inhale, legs come up. Play around, move around. If you're taking the twist, make sure the neck is nice and protected. Inhale. Exhale. So once you have that, just roll back. Lift the head. And then inhale here, exhale, shoot the legs back. Boop. And there you have it. It's much more fluid and easier when you're not trying to talk. I hope that helps. Have a blessed day.